Hey guys, welcome back to MiniatureDiecast, and today we have got something super cool, the Hot Wheels Nissan SKYLINE 2000GT-R modified by livery. So here at the card art we can see the livery badging is over here, and each one is a HWJ imports, and this one is 1 out of 5. So let's check the back of the card. So here we can see manufacturing details and etc. So it's like the SKYLINE went full in cartoon mode. So I really like tuned cars, so that's why I have got this one. So let's check. Okay, the color in purple and white paint job with this golden stripes over here, and this golden wheels also. Okay, so let's start from the front. So at the front we can see a good amount of details, like we can see the headlights, and both the headlights are sticker, but still it is looking very good. And we can see the engine grills over here, and we can see a lot of details are there. I actually really don't know about these things. If you know, you can let me in the comment. And let's check from the side profile. So from the side we can see the door handles are there, and I really like this white and golden stripe both sides of the body. And let's check the back of the car. So here we can see this spoiler is looking very good, and there is no tail light details. So here also we can see the same details, but here we can see the Liberty Works logo, and the Hot Wheels badging is over there. Yeah, this side also Liberty Works badging and Hot Wheels badging. And the interiors we can see completely black, and it's a right hand drive. Here at the right side we can see the steering wheels. Okay, so one thing I mentioned to forgot. So you can see at the both of the side we can see the oversized fenders, because this one is modified by livery, that's why. And let's check the bottom of the car. So here we can see SKYLINE 2000GT-R made in Malaysia and Hot Wheels logo. So the below part of the car is made of plastic, and the body is completely made of metal. I really like the paint scheme of this casting, so that's why I thought to keep this in my collection. So this may look funny, but it's inspired by the real SKYLINE, a Japanese racing legend from the 1970s. I really like Japanese domestic cars, that's why I keep collecting them. So what do you think? Is it cute or crazy? If you love tuned style JDM cars like this one, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MiniatureDiecast, because more mini legends are on the way. So till now, keep collecting and stay awesome. Bye bye. See you at the next video.